चैनल वी ब्लॉग में आप सभी कार्ड्स के वी ब्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं पॉलीमर से 3 क्वेश्चन आता है। पॉलीमर, द वर्ड पॉलीमर इज coined from two Greek word poly means many and mer means unit or part. The term polymer is defined as a very large molecule having high molecular mass 10 power 3 to 10 power 7 micron. They are also referred to as micromolecules which are formed by the joining of repeating structure unit on a large scale. The repeating structural units are derived from some simple and reactive molecule known as monomers. The process of formation of polymers from respective monomers is called polymerization. The transformation of ethene to polyethylene and introduction of hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid leading to the formation of nylon 6 are the example of two different types of polymerization. Ethene दिया इसी का polymerization repeating unit polyethylene polymer. hexamethylene diamine adipic acid के साथ polymerize किया जाता है nylon 6 बनता है. Classification of polymer and there are several way of classification of polymer based on the special consideration. The following are some of the classification of polymer based on source. Under this type of classification, there are three subcategories: natural polymer, those polymers which are found in animal, plants and animal. Example: protein, cellulose, starch, resins, and rubber. Two semi-synthetic polymer, cellulose derivative as cellulose acetate and cellulose etc. are the usual example of this subcategory. Synthetic polymer, a variety of synthetic polymer like plastic, synthetic fiber, nylon, and synthetic rubber minerals are the example of man-made polymer extensively used in life as well as in classification based on the structure of polymer. Linear polymer, these polymers consist of long stretch and the example of high density polythene polyvinyl chloride. These are represented in branched chain polymers. These polymers contain linear chains having some branch low density polythene. These are depicted as follows: cross-linked or network polymers. These are usually formed from bifunctional trifunctional monomer and contain strong covalent bond between variation of linear polymer chains. Backlight melamine. These are depicted as classification based on the mode of polymerization. Addition polymer. The addition polymer are formed by the repeated addition of monomer molecules possessing double or triple bond. The formation of polyethylene from ethene and polypropylene from propylene. The addition polymers formed by the polymerization of a single monomeric species are known as homopolymer polyethylene. The polyethylene का polyethylene में मिलता है. CH2 and repeat. The polymer made by addition polymerization from two different monomers are known as copolymer, butadiene and butadiene. 1,3 ब्यूटाडाइन प्लस स्टीरीन को जब करेंगे स्टाइरिन को तो ब्यूटाडाइन ब्यूनास. कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमर. कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमर आर फॉर्म्ड बाय रिपीटिंग कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन बिटवीन टू डिफरेंट बाइफंक्शनल और ट्राइफंक्शनल मोनोमेरिक यूनिट in nylon 6,6. The example of terylene nylon 6 is nylon 6,6. For example, nylon 6 form by condensation of hexamethylene diamine with adipic acid के साथ जब रिएक्ट करेंगे तो nylon 6,6 बनेगा. Classification based on molecular forces. A large number of polymer applications in different fields depend on their unique mechanical property like tensile, elasticity, toughness, etc. These mechanical properties are governed by intermolecular forces. Example given: van der Waals forces and hydrogen bonds present in the polymer. These forces are also bind the polymer chains. Under this category, the polymers are classified into the four subgroups on the basis of magnitude of intermolecular forces present in them. Elastomers, these are rubber-like solids with elastic property. In these elastomer neoprene देखिए दोस्तों यहाँ पर neoprene. In these elastomer polymer, the polymer chains are held together weakest intermolecular forces. The weak binding force permit polymer to be stretched. A few cross links are introduced in between the chains with the help of polymer to retract its original position after the force is released, as in vulcanization. The example are butadiene neoprene fibers. Fibers are thread forming solid which possess high tensile strength and high modulus. These characteristics can attributed to the strong intermolecular forces like hydrogen bonding. These hydrogen bonding are also led to close packing of chain bonding and the symbiotic crystalline nature of chain. The example of polymer nylon 6 is polyester. Thermoplastic. These are the polymer are slightly branched long chain molecule capable of repeatedly softening on heating and hardening on the polymer. These polymers possess intermolecular force of attraction between elastomers and fibers of common thermoplastic or polythene, polystyrene, polyvinyls. देखिए पीवीसी का वो बना दोस्तों फिगर स्ट्रक्चर फार्मूला लिखा गया है। Thermosetting polymer, these polymers are cross-linked or heavy branch molecules which on heating undergo extensive cross-linking in mold in which again infusible bakelite. What type of polymerization reaction? There are two types of polymerization reaction: the chain growth condensation and condensation or step growth condensation. Addition polymerization or chain growth polymerization. Free radical mechanism. A variety of alkene diene and their derivatives are polymerized in the presence of free radical generating initiator like benzoyl peroxide, acetyl peroxide, butyl, tertiary butyl peroxide. For example, the polymerization of ethane to polyethylene consists of heating or exposing to light a mixture of ethene with a small amount of benzoyl peroxide initiator. The process starts the addition of phenyl free radical formed by the peroxide to the ethene double bond, thus generating a new and larger free radical. This step is called chain initiation. The repetition of this sequence with new and bigger radicals carries the reaction forward, and this step is called chain propagating. And at this stage, the product radical that thus forms react with another radical to form the polymeride product. This product is called chain initiation system. Chain initiation benzoyl peroxide to 6CH6H5 double O उतना फेनिल रेडिकल बेंजोइल पेरोक्साइड बेंजाल वे चेन प्रोपोगेटिंग देखिए दोस्तों है थर्ड स्टेप है चेन टर्मिनेटिंग फॉर टर्मिनेशन फॉर लॉन्ग चेन दिया है दिस फ्री रेडिकल कैन कंबाइन in different ways to form polyethylene one mode of terminal chain is preparation of some important addition polymer first polythene there are two types of polythene as below low density polythene it is obtained by the polymerization of ethene under high pressure of 1000 to 2000 atmosphere at temperature of 350 to 570 Kelvin in the presence of traces of dioxygen or peroxide initiator catalyst this the low density yeah, polythene obtained through the free radical addition and H atom subtraction and has highly branched structure. Low polythene, low density polythene is chemically inert and tough, but the flexibility and poor conductor of electricity is used to the insulation of electricity carrying wires and manufacture of squeeze metal, toy and flexible. Topics high density polymer. It is found one addition polymer ethane takes place in hydrocarbon sodium in the presence of such as triethyl aluminum and titanium tetrachloride Ziegler-Natta catalyst at a temperature of 343 Kelvin and under a pressure of 6 atmosphere and higher density polyethylene. The substance consists of molecule and has a high density due to close packing and is also chemically inert and more tougher and harder. It is used for manufacturing buckets, dustbins, water pipes, etc. Polytetrafluorine Teflon is manufactured by heating tetrafluoroethane with free radical persulfate catalyst at a high pressure. It is chemically inert and resistant to attack by corrosion, and it is used for making oil sealed gaskets and also used for non-stick surface. Tetrafluoroethane is a Teflon polyacrylonitrile. The term polymerization of acrylonitrile in the presence of peroxide catalyst leads to the formation of polyacrylonitrile. Acrylonitrile CH211CHCN polymerization peroxide CH2CHCN polyacrylonitrile. It is used as a substitute for wool in making commercial fibers or orlan as orlan or acrylan. Polymerization on step group polymerization. This type of polymerization generally driven by repetitive condensation per reaction between two bifunctional monomers. This polymerization reaction may result in the loss of some simple molecule as and lead to the formation of high molecular reaction. In the formation of toluene are diagram by the interaction of ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid is an example of type of polymerization. Ethylene glycol HO CH2CH2OH plus terephthalic acid benzene 1,4 dicarboxylic acid HOOC benzene फिर COOH बनेगा टेरिन डाइक्रोन OCH2 CH2 C डबल बॉन्ड O benzene C डबल बॉन्ड polyamides processing amide linkage are the important examples of synthetic fibers and are termed as nylon. The general method of preparation consists of the condition of of the condensation polymers of diamine with their dicarboxylic acids and also of amino acids such as lactane. Preparation of nylon. Nylon 6 is prepared by condensation polymerization of hexamethylene with edification under high pressure and high temperature. Just see edification and hexamethylene 553 केल्विन पर हाई प्रेशर करेंगे तो नायलॉन 6 इट इज यूज्ड इन मेकिंग सीट ब्रिस्टल फॉर ब्रशेज एंड इन द टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री नायलॉन 6 it is obtained by heating caprolactam with water at a high temperature. Caprolactam 5 with water. Nylon 6 it is used for manufacture of high tire cord fabrics and rose polyester. These are polymer products. The product of dicarboxylic acids and dialkyl toluene. The best example of polyester. It is manufactured by heating a mixture of ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid at 420 to 460 Kelvin in the presence of zinc acetate antimony trioxide catalyst as per the reaction given earlier. The crown fibers is grease resistant and is used in blending with cotton and wool fibers and also as a glass reinforcing particle in the safety. Phenol formaldehyde, bakelite, and related polymers. Phenol formaldehyde polymers are the old synthetic polymers. These are obtained by condensation. Polymers are phenol with formaldehyde in the presence of either an acid or base catalyst. The reaction starts with the initial formation of ortho and para-hydromethylphenol derivative, which further react with phenol to form compounds having joined to each other. So CH2, the initial product could be linear product. Novolec is used in paint. Novolec heating with formaldehyde and class linking form and infused for solid mass called bakelite. It is used for making combs, phonographs, records, electric switches, and handles in various utensils. देखिए दोस्तों bakelite. Fourth है melamine formaldehyde polymer. Melamine formaldehyde polymer is formed by the condensation polymerization of melamine and formaldehyde. मेलामिन फॉर्मल्डिहाइड क्या करेंगे तो रेजिन इंटरमीडिएट बनेगा मेलामिन पॉलीमर. इट इज यूज्ड इन द मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ अनब्रेकेबल क्रॉकरी. कोपॉलीमराइजेशन कोपॉलीमराइज a polymer reaction in which a mixture of more than one monomeric species is allowed to polymerize and form a copolymer. The copolymer can be made not only by chain growth polymerization but by growth polymerization also. It contains multiple units of each monomer used in the same polymeric chain. For example, a mixture of 1,3-butadiene and styrene can form a copolymer. 1,3-butadiene plus styrene butadiene styrene copolymer. Copolymers have properties quite different from homopolymers. For example, butadiene styrene copolymer is quite tough and is a good substitute for natural rubber. It is used for manufacture of autotires, pool tiles, footwear components, cable insulation, structure. Rubber, natural rubber is natural polymer and possesses elastic properties. It is also termed elastomer and has a variety of uses. It is manufactured from rubber latex, which is colloidal dispersion of rubber in water. This latex is obtained from the bark of rubber tree and it is found in India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Malaysia, and South America. Natural rubber may be considered a linear polymer of isoprene 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene and is also called cis-1,4-polyisoprene. Vulcanization of rubber. Natural rubber becomes soft at temperature and brittle at low temperature. At when necessary, shows higher water absorption capacity. It is soluble in non-polar and it is not resistant to attack by oxidizing agent. To three property. These property process of vulcanization carried out. Process consists of heating of a mixture of rubber and sulfides on a prepared additive at the temperature range between 3 to 22. On vulcanization, sulfur forms cross-link at the reactive double bond and thus the rubber get stiffened. In manufacture of tire rubber, 5% are used in cross-link in the probable structure of vulcanized molecule as it depicted है. Synthetic rubber. Synthetic rubber is any vulcanizable rubber like polymer which is capable of getting stretched to twice its length. However, it may be regain to its original shape and size as soon as the external stretching is often released. The synthetic rubber are either homopolymer 1,3-butadiene derivatives or copolymers of 1,3-butadiene derivatives with another unsaturated monomer. Preparation of synthetic neoprene. Neoprene are polymerization formaldehyde and polymerization of क्लोरोफिन 2 क्लोरो 1 3 ब्यूटाडाइन पॉलीमराइज करें न्यूप्रीन बने दोस्तों। ब्यूनोएस पे देखिए दोस्तों यहाँ पर है यू हैव ऑलरेडी सेड ब्यूनोन इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय पॉलीमराइजेशन ऑफ ब्यूटाडाइन एक्रोलाइट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ पेरोक्साइड 1 3 वेकोडाइन इन पॉलीमराइजेशन ब्यूनोएस इट इज यूज्ड फॉर द action of petrol lubricating and oxidation it is used for in oil tank seal धन्यवाद।